Electric in a laundromat is, in my opinion, a no-go. The cost to operate that is so expensive, and the amount of electrical requirement required for that is staggering. For example, 50-pound dryer would require 65 amps. And if you've got 50 dryers in your laundromat, you're powering a small city with electrical. So I don't think I've ever built a laundromat that's been electrical. Our hotels and nursing homes that have the ability to have natural gas, it's fractions half the cost to run versus electric on it. A big 75-pound dryer will have 100, 125 amp service required, which is equivalent to a lot of houses for one dryer. Although there is a push to certainly to get away from fossil fuels, and people think this is what we need to do. When they really start getting into the math of what it takes to run an electric dryer, commercial dryer, it changes their tune economically. I don't see any future using the way we're doing it today with electric heating elements to heat the air, to heat the water, to remove it from the linens, as getting any more efficient. I don't think there's so much the heat or BTUs per pound of water used. That math isn't changing. Now, does that mean technology? There might be a microwave concept or a different way of drying that it's sitting on somebody's R&D lab somewhere. I haven't seen it, but it might be there. Right now, natural gas, propane is really that creates the best heat source to heat that linen up to create the evaporation we need to remove that water from the linen.